Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to draw a flared jeans and a printed kurti combination. So for people who are new to my channel, hi, this is Pooja Shekhar. I'm a fashion designer and an illustrator. I make fashion illustration and fashion education content on my YouTube channel. And if you want to learn digital fashion illustration in the easiest way possible, then you're at the right place, because I teach fashion illustration which you can create using your Android phones as well, that too using a free app. So to learn more about this, you should definitely check out my channel and do not forget to subscribe. And without making this intro any more longer, let's get into today's video. Okay, so the application that we are going to use in this video is called Autodesk Sketchbook, and as you can see, I have opened the canvas and I'm ready to sketch. And the first thing that we need to do is add a croquis on the canvas. So for that, I'll be clicking on the add photo option and scroll through the gallery and find the perfect croquis that I need for this outfit. So this croquis, I have created this croquis in Autodesk Sketchbook only. So if you want to learn how to draw a croquis, then you must check out this video on my channel. Okay, so as you saw, I have sent the croquis layer to below layer, and I have reduced the opacity of that layer, and on the next layer I'll be using pen tool to draw the outfit. So we are making a short kurti and a flared jeans. So firstly I want to draw the kurti. So I'll be making a flared sleeve short kurti, just trending right now. So that just let me draw the outline first. Okay, I completed the outlining of the kurti here, and let's draw the outline of the flared jeans. Okay guys, so I have completed drawing the outline of both kurti and jeans, and now it's time to add the print on the kurti and the denim texture on the jeans. So for that we need to go to Pinterest and let's search for denim background. So after typing this, you have to find the perfect denim that you're looking for your jeans, like the shade of the jeans that you are visioned. So let me just search for the perfect shade that I was thinking in my head. So I selected this for the jeans. After downloading the image to my gallery, let's search for the perfect print for our short kurti. So for that I'll be searching block print background, because I'm imagining something like a printed block printed kurta. So we will be making a blue denim. So for that I want to I'm thinking of some white color kurta, because white kurti with a blue denim is like the classic combination. So for that I'm searching for the perfect print. You can just search for white block print background, you'll just get a lot of options. So yeah, I think I found the perfect print. Okay, I have downloaded this as well, and let's go back to Autodesk Sketchbook, and now let's select on add photo and select both the prints or the photos that we have downloaded from Pinterest. So firstly I'm adding this denim to the screen, and you can see like I'm reducing the opacity of the denim's layer so that I can see the if I have covered all the denim jeans or not. So like this I have covered this, and now I'll be using the eraser option to erase out the excess photo that I don't need. I just need the denim part. So let's just erase all the excess part using eraser option.
Everyone is so loud. I just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Keep it quiet. Give me a sense of direction.
Instead of erasing manually, you can use this tool called lasso, which I usually call a selection tool, so that I can convey what does it do. So the purpose of this tool is like you can select whatever the area that you want, and then I click on clear option, then the whole thing will be gone. So you do not have to manually erase these parts. You just try erasing it manually on the outlines, and then use this lasso tool to clear out all the parts. So this will save a lot of time. After clearing out all of this, let's increase the opacity and see the jeans. Yes, now it looks perfect. Now let's add the kurti print for the kurti part. So again we should do the same thing, select add photo and bring this print onto the canvas. So the tricky thing here is we need to fit this whole print onto the kurti. So if we try to fit it right like that, the motifs will look bigger. So I want the prints to be very small. So for that we need to copy paste the print like this a lot of times, so that we can create a new pattern using this same print. I have reduced the opacity to just to see like how the print is going to look, but I feel the print is still big in size, so I want to make a smaller print. So I'm again copy and pasting this image so that I can create a smaller print by reducing the size of the image. So like this, I have created this size, which I feel like is perfect for the kurti. So I have just tilting this, I'm just tilting it in this way so that the angle of the model's pose and the kurti's direction, print direction should match. So yeah, like this I have made the print settle on the canvas, and I'm changing the background color because the print itself is in white, so I'll be confused while erasing out the excess part. So this will help us to clearly see the print and erase out the excess part. And again I'll be doing the same thing, I'll be erasing it manually using eraser, and then using the lasso tool to erase out all the excess part. And like this I have completed adding print on the kurti. So after adding the print on the kurti and the denim texture on the jeans, it's time to add folds and shadows on the whole outfit. So I'll be using airbrush tool, and you must be adding these shadows and fold effects on a new layer, so that if you want to make any kind of changes in the other layers, it should be easy for you. So I'll be adding a lot of layer folds and shadows onto the outfit using this airbrush tool.
Just wanna stay in with you, cause everyone is so loud. I just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Keep it quiet. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. 'Cause I need to keep on going. I need to keep on going. I need to be afloat again. Don't give me what I want, just give me what I need. I'll give.
So with this I have completed adding folds and shadows to the outfit, and now you can see the kurti and the jeans looks perfect together. And let me increase the opacity of the croquis layer so that we can see like the whole illustration is completely ready. And this is the outfit that we have created in this video, and I hope whatever I was trying to explain you were able to understand that, and I hope you learned something out of this video and this video was informative for you guys. And if you feel the same, then please do like this video, and if you want to learn digital fashion illustration, then do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends who also want to learn. And if you're watching till here, then thank you so much for your time, and see you again in my next video.